Ladies and gentlemen, the flagship has arrived. This is the 2026 Genesis G90, a sedan that doesn't just whisper luxury, it speaks it fluently in every language of design, comfort, and performance. Today, we'll take a deep dive into every inch of this rolling masterpiece, from its jaw-dropping exterior, to its technology-packed interior, and the heart that beats under the hood. Buckle up, because this is going to be a ride worth taking. The first thing you notice about the 2026 G90 is its presence. This isn't just a car, it's a grand entrance on four wheels. The new Crest Grille has been subtly reshaped, wider, bolder, and flanked by ultra-slim micro-lens array LED headlights that stretch seamlessly into the fenders. The lighting signature. It's instantly recognizable, day or night. From the side, the proportions are classic limousine, long wheelbase, short overhangs, but with a sleek coupe-like roofline that gives it a contemporary edge. The flush door handles sit perfectly aligned with the bodywork, and the chrome accents are tastefully minimal, framing the design rather than overpowering it. At the rear, the signature two-line taillights now wrap further around the body, giving a sense of width and stability. The exhaust outlets are hidden for a cleaner, more sculptural appearance, emphasizing the G90's luxury-first identity. And those wheels? 21-inch multi-spoke alloys that combine elegance with a hint of sportiness. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sanctuary. The 2026 G90's cabin is a masterclass in minimalism meeting opulence. Nappa leather drapes every surface you touch, complemented by open-pore wood veneers and real aluminum trim. Genesis has doubled down on sustainable materials too, recycled suede headliners, and eco-friendly fabrics that feel anything but cheap. Front and center, a panoramic 27-inch OLED display sweeps across the dash, integrating the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system in one uninterrupted expanse. It's crisp, responsive, and backed by one of the most intuitive interfaces in the segment. Rear passengers? They might have it even better. Power adjustable, heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, individual infotainment screens, wireless charging pads, and a bespoke 26-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system that turns every note into a live performance. Add in the soft closed doors, ambient mood lighting, and active noise cancellation, and the outside world simply disappears. Under the hood, the 2026 G90 offers refined powertrains designed for effortless cruising. The flagship model packs a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with a mild hybrid system, delivering around 409 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque. Power is channeled through an 8-speed automatic transmission to either the rear wheels or an advanced AWD system, depending on your choice. Performance here isn't about neck-snapping acceleration, though it's quick when you need it. It's about seamless, quiet, confident motion. The electronically controlled suspension adapts to road conditions in real time, while rear-wheel steering makes this long sedan surprisingly agile in tight spaces. Fuel efficiency has also seen a boost thanks to the mild hybrid system, and Genesis is offering a plug-in hybrid variant for those seeking an even greener luxury experience. The 2026 Genesis G90 is proof that luxury isn't just about a badge, it's about how a car makes you feel. And this one? It makes you feel like every journey is a first-class experience. From its sculpted exterior, to its serene, tech-laden interior, to its refined yet potent powertrain, the G90 doesn't just compete with the world's best, it stands shoulder to shoulder with them. So, is this the new benchmark for modern luxury sedans? You tell me. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.